Hi friends, it's Liz here. Thank you for joining me today. I am so excited about this project. You don't understand how happy I was when I saw this on Pink Strawberry's channel. I've been catching up on videos. My gosh, I haven't even caught up to many videos, but I had to stop and start making this one. It is one of those one-page wonder projects which are so fun. So you'll need one page, 112 by 12 to make it. I'm going to show you a flip through of this one, and then at the end of the video I'm going to show you how I put mine together. Slightly different than how Michelle did hers on her channel. But that's always the thing, right? She always inspires me to do something slightly different, and it kind of, it works out for what I wanted. So to start with, I love that it's flat, so you can send this in snail mail to your pen pals or your friends or relatives, etc. You can do so much with it. For my cover, I decided to do like a flower bouquet. I did finally find, I'm so excited, this sticker set. Oh my gosh, I'm hoarding it now because I have not seen these anywhere. I'm in Ontario, Canada, if you don't know. So we don't have a lot of the stores that you do in the States. And I love Maggie Holmes. I love Paige Evans, but I can never find their stuff. So I came across this one and I just had to grab it. And of course, I used a little piece of it on the front. I added that tiny little tag with a heart, and that's basically my cover. Okay, let me show you inside. Super fun. So I've added, of course, the different elements here. You see that it's got like a little pocket on this side, and I just added one of my printables. I think this is from my garden printable kit. Just a little ephemera piece, and then here I added these two little pockets, and these are, I believe, from a Maggie Holmes collection. I'm not sure. This one I got it in Happy Mail, but I think that one is from Maggie Holmes. Oh my gosh, I wish I could find all those beautiful items from those designers. Here I just added two stickers to the little top pocket. I think I got these recently in one of those Your Creative Studio boxes. And then on this side, you've got a little pocket here, another little pocket there, right? Oh my gosh, I'm telling you, this is so fun because depending on how you add your page, how I'm going to show you, you can have a different way that you open it and close it. And then you open it again, and then here I added another pocket just loaded with a bunch of goodies. I absolutely love how this turned out. I added two of those tiny mini envelopes that I love, and again I just put a couple stickers there because I'm always thinking, like, if I'm loading it to send it to a friend, how would I want it loaded, right? And then here I just have some more journaling cards and that right there. So isn't this super fun? So you can make this, of course, in like this kind of like a nice theme. So this is the back cover, so it closes like this. Nope, it closes like this, and there's your front again. So you see how nice and flat it is. I love the size. I'm going to show you how to make the base for it, and then I'm also going to show you how you would glue it so that you would have the pieces kind of coming out in different directions if you wanted to. Now, can you imagine making this in like a nice vintage style as well, like, the Tim Holtz style of papers? I love it. I will link Pink Strawberry's channel below. Check out her channel. She has amazing videos, my friends. I kind of like to do tutorials myself after I've seen them because people have different ways of teaching things, and I know a lot of you really like the way I show you how I make things, so that's why I keep doing it, and I'm so appreciative of everyone out there that is sharing their creativity. I really appreciate it. Oh my gosh, I love this project. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Did you want to see me make also a vintage style version, or are you more of like, the Maggie Holmes and Paige Evans kind of person? Let me know. And if you happen to be in Canada and know where I can find some more, or if you're in the US and you want to send some mail my way and get some mail back from me, I would thank you so much for anything Maggie Holmes, Paige Evans, really anything that's got these beautiful types of stickers and embellishments and stuff. I'm really looking for them, and I would love to swap for some. All right, I will show you how to make this now. Okay, so you'll need your 12 by 12 sheet of paper. If you are going to be using a pattern, make sure that you kind of figure out which way you want your images to face. I'm using this page because I rarely use these when I get them in my scrapbook papers, you know, the ones that have that big center. I can't do much with them, so I end up kind of making something else with them like I am here. If you have double-sided scrapbook paper also, it will be slightly different. The one I made, I left it, you know, with the white space on the back. So you cut it in half depending on, you know, which side you are going to be using. So it will be 6 inches by 12 inches. And then you'll make your first score line, and this will be your cover scoring. Okay, so keep in mind which page you're using for your cover. Score it at 2 inches to start. And I'm going to flip it this way so that you can see a little bit better. So score it at 2 inches. And then again, if it's a double-sided paper that you have, it will look so much different. Score it at 2 and then score it at 7. And then this becomes your cover with your little flat pocket. The next one is the pocket pages, and this is where you're going to do a little bit more scoring. Again, flip it to the side that you want your pockets to be. Score at 4 1/4, and then you score at 9. Now, you know, when you start with this, maybe, again, I always suggest this, use a piece of scrapbook paper that you're not too crazy about, just in case, you know, you want to figure out, you know, where a cover would be, where you would be folding your pages, etc. As you can see here, I'm just folding everything to give it a nice crisp line. So this is actually my cover page, and then this is the inside for the pockets. And this is what I mentioned, that depending on how you add it to your inside cover, you'll have different ways of getting your flip to come out. Okay, so here we've got the one that was scored at the 4 and the 9 inch. You turn it one side, and then you try and score at the first score line. You only make like a 3-inch score. So again, that was for your pocket page. You just saw what I did there. And this score basically is going to be for you to divide this page into 2 pockets. I am going to be putting in the little notches, but you don't have to do that. And then we are going to glue these little pockets closed. So again, these are the pocket pages. So this is where it gets fun, where you decide where things are going. And also it depends on the way your paper is facing. So if you actually have images that have to, you know, face a certain way. So I can add it here. And this now becomes a little pocket in the end, and then this flips out. So this would be my pocket on the inside cover. Again, you can notch that out if you wanted to. I find that when I'm cutting my 12-inch papers, for some reason, my paper trimmer kind of cuts it slightly off, even though I'm always adding it right at that mark. So well, I've started doing something a little different, but I'm just showing you here how I'm trying to place my my pages, etc. So my cover page here, I'm making the little pocket that is on the inside front cover. Now, if you've got double-sided paper, you wouldn't have any of this white space left over, but I'm using single-sided paper because that's what I wanted to show you on. And we also have a lot of that single-sided, you know, cardstock, I think. Okay, so now to close the little pockets before we add the inside pocket page. And I'm just adding glue to the center. And I think that center line was just, like I said, to give you an indication where your pockets are and to kind of even them out. And then you don't also have to do this. You can just make one large pocket and not even put out the notches or the glue in the center. And then you would just have a large pocket on this side of your page. But I liked her idea of the double little pockets because it just gives you more spaces to add things, right? So the way I'm going to be adding this is, so that's my front of this one. This would be the back cover. And now this pocket here faces different than the one I originally showed you. So the one I showed you flips out in a different way. This one flips out with the pocket pages on the back cover. The one I showed you at the beginning flips out with the pocket pages on the left side. So it flips out to the left, as you saw. So that's what I was saying to you. Depending on where you add your inside pockets and where your cover is, you know, the direction of your cover, then you'll have more flexibility as to where you want your pockets to be. So see how that's a little different than what I had shown you. My other one, I did a little different. And then here's where I noticed that I've got a little bit of extra on the cover. I'll just cut that out, even it out, and then it's all nice and ready to go. I love it. You could just, you know, the larger flip out page, you can add a photo right there. You know, add little pictures, just ephemera pieces for friends and family. Love, love, love it. So I'm just going to straighten this out. And I'm just going to quickly show you this one because it faces the way of my original one that I just showed you at the beginning. So the first tuck or pocket is in the back, and then your pocket page gets added to the front cover in this manner like this. Okay, so then you would have it flipping out to the left when you open up your cover. So that's what I was talking about. This paper is non-directional, so I could put it either way. And so the cover could face the other way, or it could be this way, the way I'm showing you. And that's what I really love about this. Now, the other thing that you could do as well, which I think is super fun, is if you've got two together, once this is glued on and you've decided where your pockets and flip outs are, you could always add two of them together or more, and then make a continuous one. So if I wanted to, I would add this, let's say, to the cover of the second one. So you would have this, it flips out. This here would be added to this cover, and I would make a nice large pocket at the top. And now I've got another one coming out in this direction. It flips out this way. You've got another pocket, and you could just keep adding to this. So that's one thing that I really, really loved about this project as well, is you could just keep adding if you wanted to. So that's it, my friends. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. I love using 12 by 12 sheets of paper and making something fun out of them. Like I said, this is so fun because you could just keep adding to it if you wanted to. It would be such a beautiful album that you could share with friends and family. Don't forget to check out my playlist for other one-page wonder ideas. I have quite a few, and I'll keep adding to that playlist because I'm having so much fun. As always, leave a thumbs up if you like the video. It lets me know that you enjoyed this type of video and I keep making more. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. And hint, hint, my next giveaway, I will also be looking at comments. So if you're one of those people that leaves comments every time you see one of my videos and you enter the giveaway, I always add extra entries for you when it comes to that. You're going to love it. So thank you for joining me today, and I will see you next time. Thanks so much for stopping by.